guys, so in this video I'm going to be following Jasmine Brown's like wash and go tutorial. So if you want to see how I get this big voluminous hair by following her tutorial, then stay tuned.
So now it's time to detangle it, and I'm just going to start on half of my hair, and I'm going to start at the bottom and then just work my way up to the top. Now this side is detangled. I'm going to do the other side the exact same way. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my products into my hair. I'll just go ahead and get a little bit, actually a lot, and just put it through all my hair. And this conditioner is like a thick consistency, so it like clumps all my curls together, and I love any product that does that. And then after that conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and put in this Diva Curl Super Cream. This is a coconut curl styler. This cream right here works really good in my hair. I don't know, I feel like mixing with the conditioner, it just does something special and magical, and it works so good. Just go ahead and get like 3 pumps, and then I start on my roots, and then I just make my way down, and that pretty much gets me halfway down. And then I go ahead and get like 2 more, and I put that on the ends of my hair. Denman brush. Y'all, if you haven't tried a Denman brush and you have curly hair, you are missing out on life. So I'm just gonna split my hair in half, okay? And then you can either just brush your hair through it with this, or you can get little sections at a time, like this. If you really want defined curls, just do like little sections at a time and then just brush. And then you see that? It just like bounce all together. Okay, and then last but not least, I like to lock all of that stuff I just put in my hair, all that moisturize, all this defining. I like to lock it in. So I go ahead and use this Diva Curl Archangel Gel. So I just go ahead and get a few pumps, like 2 little pumps. It's pretty watery. So I basically just squeeze it into my hair. And then like pat it on top of my head. And it's watery, so it goes like through your hair really quick. And then I just get a little bit extra for my ends and then scrunch those up. And since I have a little bit extra on my hand, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my baby hairs. But I normally use a different product for my baby hairs, but I don't do that until my hair is dry. Okay, and now that I am done with all my hair products, I am going to just get a towel. So basically, I just like to flip my hair upside down, shake my roots out, and then I go ahead and get my towel and just do a little scrunch here and there. And then I just like shake my head back and forth. And yeah, so this is what my hair looks like right now. I'm gonna go ahead and let it air dry. Okay, it has been some hours now. A lot of hours. How many hours? It's been about like 6 hours now, and my hair is pretty much dry. It's a little wet on the inside, but this is my hair completely air dried. I'm gonna go ahead and get my wide tooth comb and my pick, and we're gonna go ahead and pick it out a little bit. I just flip upside down, and I start at the back and go towards the front. And just keep doing that. And doing it forward like this gives you way more volume. Y'all see that? Like already. No volume where? I'm gonna go ahead and break apart this curl because it's too clumped together for me. Maybe like into 2 is even fine for me. 3. And maybe one of these down here because it's like so clumped. But that's so good. Whenever your hair dries clumped like that, when you take them apart, it looks so good. Voila.
Okay guys, so that is the end. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in my next video.